Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by, whether you're returning or a first-time visitor. Thanks for coming. Today I am drawing this daisy slash chamomile flower. I wasn't quite sure what it ended up being, but I was in my sketchbook. I sometimes just turn it around the other way since I'm right-handed, as you can see from my left upside down flower there. And I'm grabbing my pens. These would be equivalent to like a micron pen with bleed-proof archival ink. And I'm just drawing sort of some wonky leaves and whatnot. I ended up making some seamless pattern from this that you can use for digital paper or fabric. And so I gotta get these things out in the world. I'm a little behind. I've been very sick and now I've run into some dental issues. So yeah, that was a bummer. But anyways, thankful for art. And so I went ahead, I'm just thickening some of these lines with, actually that's an Arteza acrylic black paint pen that I've got there now, just to kind of thicken those up and add those little spotty goodness. And I think I'm using my Caran in this one. I made this about a week ago, so I'm trying to remember. But lots happened in a week. I hope you guys are having a good week. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That would be really appreciated. I really do appreciate all the people who watch and do all of those things. Thank you for supporting independent artists. Hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're using your art supplies. Do you guys love Caran? Do you have that? This is a set of 30 that I have, and I would love someday to get the biggest set, but we'll see. They are fun to use, and I like the skinniness of them. They're by no means the only one that I use. If you've watched my channel, you can see Lyra and some other products as well. And I'm a big Inktense pencil fan, and I'd love to get a hold of the blocks sometime to see how those play with, but so many art supplies, so little time. But anyways, so I'm just off camera there. There's a little jug of water, and I'm just dipping the tip of the Caran crayon into the water to soften that pigment, and then it kind of makes it nice and creamy on the paper. And this is, I believe, Canson mixed media paper, which I have to say, although I love Canson watercolor paper, I use it a lot because I do a lot of digital work, so it doesn't have to be the super high paper for that. But I like how it moves color around. But the mixed media paper is not as much of a favorite. So I haven't purchased any. I'm just kind of using up what I have, and it was fine for this. But any sort of I don't know. It's just the mixed media. I don't know. Everyone has their favorite papers, but I don't know. What's your guys's? Do you have a favorite mixed media paper? You can leave that in the comments below. So with this flower, daisy slash chamomile, is yet to be determined. I'm using some grays and pinks, just trying to layer those on and then moving them around with a little bit more water, just to move the pigment. And that's about all there is to it. Nice little easy, if you do the 100-day project, that's something that is fun to do. You just do a little bit of art every day. And actually, well, I taught myself how to play the piano and got to be advanced at it. But one thing early on that I learned is even if I was super busy, and I was, even 5 minutes a day can give you progress. So it's the same way with art. Just get in there and get something down on the paper. And anyway, got to bring my white Posca pen in here, of course, and just give some extra little white dots on the middle bit there, as well as on the stems, just some highlights and things on the leaves. So just a fun little quick thing. I don't think I put a picture of the pattern I created from this on my video here, but if you hit all the links below and just kind of sort of subscribe to those things, you'll always be in the loop of what comes out. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you get into your studio and grab your art supplies and just create something. It is so good for us. Thank you, and I hope you have a blessed day.